Hi there. We designed and made a pair of active noise cancellation headphones for our Jella project. Noise cancelling headphones are an ideal choice for many music listeners for their ability to cut off ambient noise.
The basic idea behind our design involves placing a microphone on the outside of the headphones to pick up ambient noise in the environment. Then we pass the noise signal to an op-amp inverter. Then we sum the original noise, the inverted signal, and the music together. This way we can cancel the ambient noise and enjoy the good quality of the music.
Also, because we mounted the microphone on the outside of the headphones, there is a slight phase shift of original noise wave and the inverted noise wave, so we also add one delay block in our circuit.
Our particular project involves the use of a purely analog design, with the mic mounted to the outside of each ear, inverting the mic output and summing this output with the music before sending the music into the ear. So here we have an iPhone connected to our circuit, and you can see we have an audio jack connected from the iPhone to the circuit, and this is where the music inputs to the summing amplifier of our circuit, which is mixed with the noise. Now the noise input comes from the microphones, which are on each side of the headphone, and so these microphones take in the noise closest to the ear and bring it into the circuit to be summed, or to be processed and then summed with the music. And this wire here, since there's a lot of unnecessary noise that is introduced, we have an insulated wire that helps protect from this unnecessary noise. Okay, now we'll do a demo of the inverted noise by creating a sine wave through whistling. As you can see, there's a pretty, and we were pretty amazed by this, there's a pretty accurate reflection over this line. The bottom wave is the inverted signal, while the top one is the noise taken in from the headphone. And you can imagine if these were summed together, they would cancel out pretty well, eliminating any noise in the environment.
After we inverted the original ambient noise signal, we want to make sure the inverted signal has the same amplitude as the previous one. So when the inverted noise signal plays through the headphone, it can cancel out with the previous ambient noise. So now we're going to show you how we adjust the potentiometer and the signal waves on the scope.
As you can see, originally the inverted noise is below the amplitude of the ambient noise, and so we can adjust the potentiometer and raise up the amplitude of the inverted noise. And so now the amplitude of the ambient noise and the inverted noise are roughly the same, so they will properly cancel out.
So on the scope, the green line is the original noise signal, and after we sum the original noise signal and the inverted noise signal, we achieve the yellow line. As you can see, the amplitude of the original noise signal is much higher than the yellow line amplitude, which means the active noise cancellation is successful.